Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a daily moisturizer with chemical filter SPF, this is absolutely worth a try. It's nice to have a moisturizer that doesn't make my skin feel oily and greasy and also helps my skin not age so fast. The dermatologist told me to buy it and it helped my daughter's face with her dry white spots she was getting. My skin gets so dry and flaky in the winter, and this lotion has helped so much in keeping my skin from feeling tight, dry and uncomfortable. The set includes a pump bottle of purifying foaming cleanser that is unscented, nice, and forms a fine foam that rinses off easily. This can be worn without makeup if one feels like hurrying out to do errands, for example, without putting on makeup. Not only is this chock full of fantastic ingredients such as niacinamide, ceramides and thermal water, it also feels great on the skin. This UV sunscreen double repair also leaves my face feeling similarly natural and moisturized with the added benefit of sun protection. If you are looking for a daily SPF morning routine that's moisturizing to dry skin and yet does not have that white SPF feeling, this is your jam. They are pricey, but they cannot be matched for total protection against UV and UVB rays and a great texture. It dries pretty quick, so if you do it early enough you can put your makeup on right over it. A board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon in NYC recommends that all her patients try the product on a small area of their neck for a week before applying to the entire face. In addition to making sure you like the way the product feels, this helps ensure that it doesn't lead to clogged pores, allergic reactions or breakouts. And if you can't test the product, make sure to check for potentially irritating ingredients like AHAs, bisretinols, formaldehyde, phthalates or botanical extracts. Applies onto my face well and works superbly as a moisturizer with sun protection without the sticky residue that some sunblocks leave. This absorbs into your skin wonderfully and doesn't make your skin look greasy if you don't want to apply makeup. Nothing worse on mature skin than to have a great sun-kissed tone on dry, wrinkly skin ready for sunspots and liver spots. To top it all off, light fragrance quickly dissipates, leaving a lightly detectable protective and healing residue. The Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer was a thicker lotion for your face that has an SPF 30 in it. The container has a pump and one small squirt is enough to generate enough foamy wash to cleanse your whole face. It goes on easily, rinses well and makes your skin feel very refreshed. Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer UV Discover Prebiotic Skin Care. This Toleriane Double Repair Facial Moisturizer from La Roche-Posay is oil-free and unscented and works well on my aging skin that tends toward oiliness. It feels a little greasy, sticky for a minute or two and then absorbs completely to leave my skin soft and smooth. This one absorbs almost instantly, doesn't leave any white tone on my skin and gives me moisture and sun protection all day long. LRP absorbs a lot faster and has a nice texture, so it's not greasy unlike Olay when it's absorbed and skin is soft. The Toleriane line is especially good if you have sensitive skin that is also oily. It's meant to calm and soothe skin that is easily irritated. This product is meant to not only function as a daily sunscreen but also, according to the La Roche-Posay website, hydrate your skin and soothe any redness. The La Roche-Posay absorbs very easily, does not leave any white residue and does not make my skin break out. The foaming cleanser leaves my face feeling fresh and hydrated, while the moisturizer is the perfect combination of moisture and sun protection. Reminiscent of most over-the-counter lotions, it's good while it's on, but as soon as you wash your face your skin hasn't really changed. You feel like you should apply more, but apply a thin layer and allow your skin to absorb the lotion. You'll want to apply more, but don't. It does not leave your skin feeling oily either. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.